Now on to our super moms. That's right, another one dropping by. One that, if you've been following Cup of Joe over the years, you'll be very, very familiar with. She's a healthy mom. Our health coach, Paola Henderson, is here. Welcome.
Hi.
Crazy times, but you're keeping it healthy.
Yes, always.
Always.
Keep it healthy.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you're here in a little different role today. You're here as a super mom. You're one of our super moms because you have two beautiful children. There's a little shot that we'll show with your daughter. She was actually kind of part of one of your productions that you did for us.
Yes.
She's a little
Yeah,
light wire.
she's a little mini me.
Yeah. That's what she is.
She loves to be in the kitchen and to experiment, and
Yeah.
she's always following how I eat, and,
Right.
and she likes to experiment a little bit in the kitchen as well.
And
So
then
that's important.
Which is older? Who's older, your son or your daughter?
My son.
But she's a big girl though. She looks like she takes control.
Yeah, she takes control for sure.
They eat healthy as well, Paolo?
My son is a bit picky, but
Yeah.
he's now starting to see the importance of eating greens,
Yeah.
and vegetables, and to eat healthier. He's picked up exercising
Right.
during these quarantines, and so he's now actually interested in what he's putting into his body.
Yeah.
And my daughter has always loved veggies. I would say she's more vegetarian than a meat eater. Like, she really doesn't care too much for the meat.
So they're following your lead.
They're following my lead.
They're following your lead.
Exactly.
And I'm seeing vegetables here. So,
Yeah, so
I mean, they see vegetables, I'm sure, a lot in your kitchen.
Yeah, so what I always like to tell mothers out there that are trying to get the kids to eat vegetables is don't hide it from them.
Right.
Always present it in the table
That's interesting.
with them, so even if they do not eat, once you have that visual, so it's there all the time, and then who knows, little by little they may be curious as to what it tastes like. And you always want to get vegetables come in assortment of different colors and textures and sizes, and so always you want to get all the different colors, like I have here today,
pretty,
and it's pretty and it's attractive, and although yes, it's a vegetable, your child may be curious, but you never want to hide it from them, because it's like they probably think it's not good, or you just always want to present it at the table nicely. And so today what I made is my kids, we do a Taco Tuesday.
Okay, this is tacos?
Yes.
I'm confused.
So what I did is a taco stuffed in veggies. Right?
I was looking for taco shells.
Yes. So, well, this is what I usually do for myself, because I kind of have a little allergy with the taco shell itself.
Right.
And of course, avoiding to eat the carbs, right?
The carbs.
So I stuff my taco ingredients into a vegetable, and I also present it at the table for them, and my daughter will be more likely to eat it, while my son may just eat inside of it and then maybe stuff it into his shell.
So these are like all the taco ingredients.
And then you bake it nicely.
Right.
So all you need really is any type of vegetable would really work. Even a tomato would work nicely.
Right.
But I really like the bell peppers or sweet peppers, and then I thought of the other day, what about a zucchini? Because I love, it's one of my favorite vegetables that I've been using a lot this summer, and it bakes so nicely, So you just kind of scrape off the inside, like the seeds, and then you can stuff it with anything. So it doesn't have to necessarily be what you put in a taco. It could be your leftovers, it could be chicken strips with a little rice, a little corn. It could be tuna, anything that you have in your home that you can just stuff it, just to make it a healthier version as well as low carb, and it gets you to eat more veggies on your plate.
And it looks satisfying as well, Paola. So sometimes you think veggies and you think,
yes,
and it's okay. I'm hungry again, but this looks very satisfying.
And what is really goes nicely with this is, like, if you do a nice pot of lentils or even baked beans or anything like that, and you stuff it into one of these veggie
bowls,
bowl,
kind of thing.
and then and then you put a little cheese to it.
You are actually putting cheese as well.
I'm putting cheese.
She's putting cheese.
We can't be. It's all about balance.
Yeah.
And then you just put this into the oven,
Right.
and you bake it off. And when I tell you, it's delicious.
Right. So you actually did sweet peppers. If he's looking at the sweet peppers,
Yes, these are sweet peppers. Same thing.
Same concept. You
Same
stuff the sweet
concept.
pepper.
You just stuff it, and really and truly, you can stuff it with anything that you have that's leftovers. You can add, your taco seasonings to it. You can the little taco sauce, the sour cream, jalapenos, and just create a healthier version meal. But the key point is, don't hide your veggies from your kids.
Yeah.
Always present it. Even if they're not eating it, you eat it and let them see you.
That's interesting, because most times you would have heard in the past, to get the kids to eat the veggies, hide it in something,
Yes.
toss it in a macaroni pie so they won't see it.
Well, that's great. That tip I always give for like younger kids. But see, my
Right.
kids are now 10 and
Yeah,
over.
yeah,
I'm like, you're not a baby anymore.
Yeah.
You can
These are veggies.
These are veggies.
You need to eat them.
And and let them try it.
Yeah.
So.
No, I mean, I would try this, Paola. This is quick. This is easy, because a lot of these things are very, very simple to put together. Leftovers, sometimes you may have.
Leftovers is a win-win with this.
Yeah, this is great. This is great. Paola, thank you very much. I want to take a bite and just really, because this is good stuff. Quick and easy. And our health coach, Paola Henderson, who's also a mom of 2 wonderful little kids. And yeah, she showed us how easy it is to pull together. What are you calling this? This is
taco stuffed zucchini.
Vegetable taco vibes.
Vegetables.
Vegetable taco vibes. Paola, thank you very much, my dear.
Okay. Enjoy.